Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your TradingView step by step. Start by creating a free account and selecting a chart layout that fits your trading goals. Next, personalize the interface colors and toolbars so your most used tools are one click away. Save the layout and enable sync to access it on any device. I'll walk you through each menu and shortcut in plain language so you can trade confidently. Choose the right chart layouts and time frames that match your strategy, whether intraday or swing trading. Use multiple panes to monitor 1-minute, 15-minute, and daily charts at once and align entry signals. Resize and lock panes so accidental drags don't ruin your setup. Add a watch list and heat map beside charts to spot opportunities fast, then save a custom layout so you can reload it instantly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading market guides and notes comfortable anywhere, and it's great for reviewing strategy rules away from screens. It's lightweight, has long battery life, and a glare-free display that pairs well with focused study sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep your indicator stack lean and meaningful to avoid analysis paralysis. Pick a trend, momentum, and volume tool at most. Tweak indicator parameters to suit each asset's volatility and time frame, for example using 20 or 50 periods. Create alerts for price levels, indicator crossovers, or custom pine scripts so you don't miss trades. Test alerts on paper trades first, then refine thresholds to reduce false signals while you build confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.